Hello and welcome to Excel tutorial. In my last video on if statement, I promised to make a video for nested if statement. Well, here it is. Nested if is a conditional statement with multiple if statements. That is, it can contain more than one if statement with multiple arguments in it. If you did not watch my video on if statements, please click on the link in the description box so you could see that. Nested if returns different results based on the evaluation of the different arguments in the statement. For example, if condition A is met, return X. If condition B is met, return Y. Else, return Z. I'm going to show you a practical example using the worksheet I have on my screen. I would like to create a customer satisfaction survey sheet where customers are meant to rate the experience in the scale of 1 to 10, with 10 being the highest. In this scale, customers who rated below 6 are captured as detractors, whereas customers who rated 7 and 8 are captured as passive, and customers who rated 9 and 10 are captured as promoters. In this kind of scenario, the best option to use is nested if, and that's why I would like to show you an example. First, let's start with data validation in order to avoid imputing wrong figures in our ratings. And if you did not watch our video in the data validation, please click on the link below. To create a drop-down list using the data validation, we start by selecting the data tab, then selecting data validation from our ribbon, then change the option to list. Here in the source bar, we would like to impute option 1 to 10, which our customers are meant to rate. After this, we'll simply press enter in order to insert, and that has been inserted. The next thing to do is to drag down in order to fill up the remaining cells in the column. And now let's proceed with the nested if statement. If cell B2 is equal to blank, return blank, comma. Another if cell B2 is less than or equals to 6, return detractor, comma. If cell B2 is less than or equals to 8, return passive. Else, return promoter. We close our brackets. And hit the enter key. Okay, now that we have typed our formulas, I would like to explain bit by bit what the formula stands for. This formula is meant to return blank if cell B2 is blank, else it will return detractor if cell B2 is less than or equals to 6, else if B2 is less than or equals to 8, it will return passive. Let me change this to capital letter. Else, if every other condition is false, let it return a promoter. So this is what this formula stands for, and we are going to see how it populates in a minute. I'll simply fill up the remaining cell in the column. Now we begin. Let's say, for instance, John Smith rated 8N. Automatically comes up as a promoter. Wilson Jack rated a 3. The tractor shows. Michael Kim rated an 8. It displays a passive. Gerald Olson a 1. The tractor. Ahmed Hassan a 9. Promoter. Kenny Ali a 4. The tractor. Mark Gates a 6. The tractor. Kenneth Cole a 7. Passive. And Emmanuel Adebayo 1. The tractor. So this is how to use nested if statement to achieve our desired goal. I hope you've learned from this video. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Click on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever a video is posted. I'll also appreciate it if you like and share the video with your friends. Thank you.